excited because this was the reason to come to Mangalore, and my son was very excited to travel by train. So that was the reason that we booked tickets. And it came as a surprise because we just booked for executive and we were not sure whether it's starting today or not because of the COVID situations and all. And finally it got started, so it's a wonderful surprise for us. Nothing, just the view, the scenery, and it's a wonderful effort done by Indian Railways. So I'll definitely thank and appreciate Railways for putting this up, because this will definitely increase the tourists on train, because people nowadays have stopped going by train. So this will be an additional perk for them. Western Ghats, I've heard they're beautiful, and the view that you get, generally in the other chair cars and other coaches you don't get that view. But here you will definitely get to witness more, and you will see the nature around. So it's a beautiful thing and a wonderful effort put in.
ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯದಿಂದ ಎಡಕುಮೇರಿ ತನಕ ಇರುವ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಆಸ್ವಾದಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೊರಟದ್ದು ಇವತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದಿವಸ ಹೋಗಬೇಕೆಂಬ ಒಂದು ಆಶೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮೊದಲಿಂದಲೂ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಒಂದು 3-4 ತಿಂಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ವಿಸ್ಟಾಡಮ್ ಕೋಚ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಟ್ರೈನಿಗೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂತ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆವು ನಾವು. ಅದು ಈಗ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಟೈಮು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಮಳೆಗಾಲ, ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಗಿಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವು ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಆಂಗ್ಸೈಟಿ ಇದೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಎಂಬ ಒಂದು ಆಂಗ್ಸೈಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಈಗ.
ಹೌದು, ನಾವು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಟೂರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥದ್ದೊಂದು ಆಗಿದೆ, ವಿಸ್ಟಡೋಮ್ ಒಂದು ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಭಾರಿ ಖುಷಿಯಾಯಿತು, ತುಂಬ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಮತ್ತು ಬೈ ರೋಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಘಾಟ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಟ್ರೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ರೋಡ್ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಅದು ವೇನೇ ಬೇರೆ, ಟ್ರೈನಿದು ಒಂದು ಜರ್ನಿದು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿನೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ ದ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಘಾಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಹೋಗೋದು, ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಸತ್ಲೇಶ್ಪುರ್, ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
Proud moment for the day, a proud moment for the Mangalore. We are having a Vistadome coaches being flagged off by Honorable MP today. This is the first time that Palghat division, especially even Kerala, is having Vistadome coaches being flagged off. This is the first service which is started today. This is starting from Mangalore Junction. It will go up to Yashwantpur. It's a daily service. Daily 2 coaches will be, 2 Vistadome coaches will be attached to the service. This is the first service where 2 Vistadome coaches are being attached. Normally only 1 Vistadome coach is being attached. So it's really a very proud moment, and the pride, we should all have a pride in having 2 Vistadome coaches attached to a train. This is first in Karnataka, first in Kerala, first in Tamil Nadu. But earlier it has been introduced only in Andhra Pradesh, that too from Visakhapatnam to Araku Valley. There is only one section where it is introduced in our 5 states. In Telangana it is not there. It's a Vistadome coach. So it is for viewing the scenery outside. It gives a very good picture. If you see the window, these are much wider and bigger window, so one can see very easily. Second, the chairs which are there, they are highly comfortable and they are revolving, so in either direction you can move. If you have a group of 4 people, all 4 you can see each other's face, discuss, see. Then there is a viewing gallery also, where you can stand and view the scenic beauty. It has a folding table which is completely inside the side, so it can come out whenever you want. You can take it out, use it, and once the use is over, it can go into the system itself. So then even the luggage area is totally separate, so that it does not obstruct anybody's view. Even if you look for the roof, normally roofs are made of stainless steel or cotton steel. Here we have got the window glasses, the glass panes also at the roof, so that we can see through the roof also.